Isabel from Glacier Twine, and we are now in our kitchen. So the Christmas is over, the Valentines is over, the St. Patrick is also over, and now we're left with wonderful products that are fully handmade. And what can we do about them? How can we spread the love about wool? So these are my ideas that I'm gonna do this year, and I've already decided that some of them I'm gonna give for my mom's day or the Father's Day, even to my grandparents, because I love sharing the idea of wool felt balls and garlands and things that we can actually use. So today we're gonna start with a very simple thing, a jar of honey. Who doesn't love honey, especially if it's real honey? So what I'm gonna do, I'm taking our garland, pastel garland. See, I've put the balls next to each other. So I'm taking the loose string. I'm not gonna use any tape, and see, I'm wrapping the string around the jar, and here it comes. The wool balls, see, wrap them tightly, and here we are. I have some string here from the second, and I'm wrapping this around, see, and it's there. And that's how I present to my grandfather a lovely hand decorated and handmade jar of honey. And that's it. I can also actually put a little scent to the wool ball, so that it's going to be a lovely present for him. So for other occasions that we have, and there are plenty of them, even if we are still at home and our mom is coming. So think about this, a homemade jam, simple as that, and then a little napkin on top, little string around, and our wool felted heart. Isn't it lovely? And how thoughtful it is. See, the same can happen for other occasions, Valentines, and just a little thing, no wrapping, no paper to be spared around, and put some scent on it. That will do the job. And then for Father's Day, see? That's it. That's a wooden box that I've put some things inside as a gift, and that's our shamrock garland, see, from St. Patrick's. Wrap it around, simple packaging, but very thoughtful, very eco-friendly. So we're reusing the materials, and we're still promoting our love for wool felt materials. So think what you have at home, how you can wrap it up. Think what your closest people love. If it's a package of tea, then there you go. Just stick around with the tape a few wool felt tiny balls and make a heart shape of it. You don't have to be, you know, always so prepared and have decorations for every occasion. Think what you have at home, and think with Glacier Twine. See you soon. Bye bye.